Hey everyone, so today we're going to do this Easter inspired nail look using Madam Glam's new collection, so let's get straight on into the video. So Madam Glam recently sent me their new collection that they've launched for spring. It's called We Are All Glam Here, and it's this really nice Easter inspired collection. And here is the first shade called Bambi. It's like a nice soft pink, and all the shades have like this eggshell type of effect, but it's very fine and it's very subtle. I'm showing you all the swatches with two coats. This one is Crazy Lobster. It's like a nice orangey salmon kind of shade. These are all like pastel as well, so really good for this spring, and I really do like this collection. So that one's Crazy Lobster. This one's like a nice soft pink called Marshmallow. I really like all the names of these, by the way. They're really like cute. I really like them. Some of these are like really Disney inspired as well, so that's really nice. And that's Marshmallow with two coats. Next one is Bunny Hop, and this is a nice pink. This is less pastel than I thought it would be, but it looks really nice too. So yeah, let me know what you think of like the little eggshell pieces in there, if you're like down for that or not. But you'll see in a minute that there is a gel polish that they've made just for that, so I think that one will be the last one. This one's one of my favorites. It's called Goat. I just feel like it matches my skin tone very well. Another pinky one we've got, it's called Pastel Dream, and this is more of like that pinky pastel kind of color, but this is more of like it's slightly more purple in real life. That one was Pastel Dream. And then we have a nice yellow. You can't have an Easter collection without a yellow, called Little Chick. And also sorry for my thumb, like I was really bad in this video, so sorry in advance for that. And that's that one with two coats, and as you can see in two coats it brings out those like little eggshell pieces. This is also another favorite of mine called Pause Up. I really was looking for like a good minty bluey kind of color, and this was like really perfect for that. And all of these were all cured in 30 seconds, both coats. So each coat I cured for 30 seconds. This one is Leaping Bunny, and the formula is vegan. It's, you know, cruelty free. It's like a pure gel formula, so it's absolutely perfect. And this one's my third favorite. It's called Sea Life, and I really like this blue. It's like a perfect pastel blue. I love it. And don't forget that you can use my code CAMIN30 for 30% off Madam Glam as well. I will link them down below. And this last one is what I was talking about. So this one is called Dalmatian, and when I open it up you'll see that it's just the eggshell pieces, and it's got this really pretty shimmer running through it. It's like a bluey silvery shimmer, and this is like also another one of my favorites. So I'm just going to swatch it on a clear swatch stick so you can see what I'm talking about. And it was so pretty. I used this in today's look and I absolutely love it. So that one is Dalmatian, and these are all the shades swatched, and I like the range of colors that you get in here. I think they're very nice. So I didn't show how I applied these tips, but they were kind of like a spray system, where I just put on base coat into the tip and placed it on my nail and then cured for 60 seconds. And after I did that, I'm applying the Madam Glam base coat to each of the nails so that the gel polish stays and sticks onto the surface of the nail. And these tips are from Macart. They are Macart's stiletto tips. And all Madam Glam products are really nice and smooth and easy to work with. I think that their packaging is also super cute. I really love the Madam Glam packaging. It looks really nice. So I'm going to start off with these two shades called Bunny Hop and Pause Up, and I'm basically going to be doing like an ombre. I've done a video on how to ombre with gel polish, which I will link down below. And this was kind of one of the techniques similar to them. So I'm applying the colors that I want to the nail. So I'm doing half mint and half light pink. And I've also applied some to my palette in a minute because I'm going to be using my ombre brush, which I got from Glitterbels, and I'm basically going to be coating half of the brush with the mint shade and the other half with the pink shade, so that I can basically blend between where the colors meet, and that will create a perfect ombre. You could do this in 2 coats, but Madame Glam's gel polishes were really opaque and very pigmented that I just felt that it was perfect with 1 coat. So just keep at it, and the more you blend, the more you'll find that the colors are merging into each other. So if it helps, definitely overlap some of the colors. So you could definitely put some of that pinky shade over to the green side, over to the mint side, and the mint shade over to the pink side, and then blend, and that way it will happen a little bit faster. So this is my one of my favorite shades. It's called Sea Life, and I wanted to do like a drip type of nail. Here I'm using the Glitterbels liner brush, which is absolutely amazing. And this gel polish was really easy to work with, as you can tell. I had no difficulties working with this. I was able to create nice straight and smooth lines, and I really like this nail. I think this was my second favorite nail, and the ombre had to be my first. So I'm just creating that drip, and I like how those little black eggshell pieces, they're very subtle. And then I'm just outlining with the yellow. And that was that for that nail. Now for this nail, I wanted to do like bunny ears, which I hope wasn't too much of a fail, but to me it kind of looked like bunny ears, so I just went with it. And here I am just trying to do my attempt at bunny ears. I know I'm not the best, but I'm getting there. I'm practicing, and I was a lot worse than this. So yes, so I've decided to do them in 3 different colors. The mint shade, which I think was called Paws Up, Little Chick, and the first pink one, which I think is Bunny Hop. And yeah, this was quite easy to do. The gels were quite pigmented, so I felt like I didn't have to go over anything or dip my brush in the gel too much. Like these gels were really easy and really smooth to work with. And for my favorite bit, I'm going over that drip with Dalmatian, and this was so beautiful. I loved how, like, in real life you could see those blue shimmers a lot more, and it looked so stunning over this blue. I feel like I'm going to be using this Dalmatian shade a lot. And next I'm going on to the ring finger. I'm doing a full nail of Marshmallow, and this is definitely more like your nudish / whitish gel polish shade, and I wanted to do like a French nail, so I went in with Crazy Lobster and I did my tip in that shade, and then I filled in the rest, and then I did a tiny bit of an outline. In a minute you'll see with Paws Up, which is the beautiful minty shade, which I don't know why I didn't do it there and then, but I think I'm gonna do it in a minute. But now I'm just doing the ombre for the pinky finger, and I'm using Little Chick and Sea Life, and again just overlap the colors, go in one motion, and that's it. That's how easy the blend is. So yeah, here I am going in with Paws Up, and I'm doing like a mint outline. I really liked this. You can see how pigmented those gel polishes are. So yes, I will definitely be using Madame Glam products, definitely. And again, going in with Dalmatian, absolutely stunning. I love this so much. I wish I had done these nails matte, but I just went with shiny, so I might do some matte. I did do some matte Easter ones actually. My previous video was like some matte Easter nails, trying flat dual forms, which I will link as well. And then I thought it would be kind of fun to add some more color and outline the bunnies with some different colors. And now I'm just finishing off the nails with the Madam Glam Soak Off top coat, and this is amazing, like stain resistant top coat that I really like. And that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. I know it was a short one, but I was really inspired to do these nails. And don't forget to use Camin30 for 30% off at Madam Glam. I will be having everything that I've used down below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And yeah, just let me know what you think of these nails down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the look I created. And I guess I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.